Okay, and then we're on to special deductions. So special deductions are deductions that really don't qualify as deductions based on that they are not in the production of income, or they are of capital nature. Remember, under general deduction, we said that it should not be in capital nature, then you can deduct it. But with special deductions, there is that allowance of expenses that are of capital nature, and the tax law does allow for us to deduct them. So also I would recommend that you start it this is a good starting point as well. So you can start with a negative, come to the special deductions, and then end with the general positive deduction, so that you will know in which category your expenses fall under. So also with this one, there is a comprehensive list. However, I've just added the few which are more um, popular, which you'll be more familiar with. Your retirement fund contributions. So if you are contributing to the pension fund, provident fund, retirement annuity fund, you are able to deduct. So I'm going to be covering you as to how you can calculate your deduction, because there's a formula for it. You cannot deduct everything, so there is a certain limit to it. Your medical aid, I'll be covering that with you at a later stage. Donations, so if you have donated to the public benefits organization, you are able to deduct that. Your legal fees, disability, loss of income premiums. So I have included the list in the description box, as I've said. As well, if you are not clear with any item on the list, you are more than welcome to contact me. Yeah. Okay, so as I've said, I'm going to be covering with you the retirement contributions as to how you can calculate the deduction, because there's a limit. So on the screen now, I have added the formula um, for calculating your deduction. So it's limited, as I've said, there is a limit. So it's limited to the lesser of, right? So this is the thing with tax, right? It's law. It's basically it's law. Yeah. So you need to breathe in, breathe out, take your coffee, and just, you know, it is what it is. But anyway, so lesser of, higher of 27.5% of remuneration or taxable income, or 350,000. Okay, so remuneration will be everything that you have received from your employer. So your salary, your basic salary, your allowances, your bonuses, so everything that you have received from your employer, that will be included. And then taxable income, this will be your income before deductions, before your retirement contribution deductions, basically. So, and also excluding any any retirement fund benefits. So if maybe you received I'm trying to think of an example now. um, yeah, so if you've received a retrenchment lump sum, yeah, so if you're retrenched during the current year, and then somewhere in the year of assessment, so you will not include in you will not include that amount in this taxable income for the purposes of calculating your retirement contribution, or 350. So which means the deduction for retirement contribution is limited to the lesser of this. So in the first line, you take the higher of remuneration or taxable income, and then, or 350. Okay, so I have a simple example where my remuneration is 200,000. So I everything, my salary, bonus, everything is 200,000. Taxable income is 180,000, and I have contributed 23,000. So these are all your contributions. So let's say you are contributing to pension fund, your employer's pension fund, and then you have your retirement annuity fund with Old Mutual. So all of your contributions lumped together for 12 months, right? Okay. And then so based on my example here, obviously I would take the higher. Remember, the first line is higher of the salary, higher of the remuneration rather, or the taxable income. So my remuneration is higher, so which means I'll take 50,000, right? And then between 50,000 and 350,000, which one is lesser? Is 50,000. So which means my deductions will be limited to 55,000. But remember that I had deductions of 23,000. So which means I had contributions of 23,000 rather. So which means my deduction will be 23,000 because it's less than the limit. So basically, that's how you calculate your retirement contribution. Okay, thank you so much for joining me today's video. So we have covered gross income, exempt income, deductions, assess loss, and contributions. If you still feel a bit lost, please send me an email, write comments down below. In my next video, we are going to be going through taxable allowances, taxable gains, that is capital gains, and donations. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, like, share, and God bless you.